Okay, guys. I'm right in front of my window. Oh my God! Do you see that? I'm with my sister over here. Hey, you can't see her face. It's too dark. I'm with my sister here, looking at this very bad storm right outside my house.
It's really dark.
Yeah.
Well, I'm scared.
It's a very big lightning storm. You can see.
Some trees fell branches.
That's a snowstorm. Well, why don't you watch some of the lightning storm? What? Whoa, that is sure some lightning right there, see?
These branches are falling. They're going all crazy and bally.
Samara, stop beating that. Okay, so